Hey, what up YouTube? It's your girl Holly. Welcome back to jWash TV. Like that? Isn't that what you told me to do?
Yeah, we're gonna leave it in there.
I'm ballin' like baby. These bitches, they wanna have my baby.
Yo, so I got a surprise. Today we're gonna be unboxing something. These are not for me, so I'm gonna give these to Holly. I hope y'all can hear me. Yeah. So, I hope you guys like that intro from Holly Swoop. You know what I'm saying? Today we got an unboxing, and it is not for me. So, y'all make sure y'all give her comments, pop off in the comment section below on how she doing this review. She don't know it's coming, so she's about to open this. I don't know how she don't think this box is small, but hey, she don't know shit. So, make sure if you're new to the channel, man, hit that subscribe button and comment down below. You know you pulled up. And if you're new to the channel, man, make sure you hit that notification bell. And remember, guys, I will be going live on November 2nd at 6 p.m. Central Time for the $400 giveaway to StockX or GOAT. So y'all make sure y'all pull up on the kit. And let's go ahead and get to this review from Holly Swoop. Holly! I need you! Can you bring my steak knife? That one. What y'all think these are right here, though? Alright, babe. I'm gonna pass this on down to you.
I thought all I was good for was the intro.
Can you see yourself?
It's a red box. You got me these? It's my size. This is why you were asking me if I liked these?
I mean, do you like them?
Yes. When did you do this?
When they dropped.
Oh my god, babe, I'm so surprised.
Like playing?
Yeah. Oh my goodness, these are cute. Okay, Jeremy surprised me. This is real.
You thought it was fake?
No.
When you open the box? No, that ain't my size.
No.
I don't understand how you didn't even notice from the little ass box.
I should have looked. So earlier when he came home, I asked and he said a subscriber sent him this. And I'm like, what do you think it is? Oh my god.
Alright, now you gotta do a review on it.
Okay. Thanks, baby.
Alright.
Oh, you're so cute.
You know, hey, y'all make sure y'all let her know in the comment section below how she did. I'm not gonna be in this video. This is her shoe, so I'll let her do the review. Y'all let her know in the comment section below. What's the like go for this?
100 likes. Is that high?
It's high. But hey, you let them know what you want. 100 likes?
I want 100 likes.
Tell them.
100 likes.
For Holly Swoop, man. Hey, on feet coming. Let's go. All right, y'all, I'm out.
Okay, he is suspicious. Babe, shut the door so you can't hear me. Okay, I really wasn't expecting this. You know, Jeremy actually texted me today and said, put on makeup. And when my husband says put on makeup, there's really no telling. And then he's like, I need to make a video. And I'm like, that's why you wanted me to wear makeup. But now it all makes sense. And he got me these shoes. They're so cute. And actually the other day he asked me, it was another shoe and this shoe. And he's like, do you like these? I was like, yeah, those are cute. And like asked me which pair I liked better. But I was not expecting him to get me a pair of shoes. He's just been really shopping for me lately, which is nice. Okay, so they're green and white with a black swoop. Whatever leather he said that they were, except for the tongue, it's not leather, it's like that scratchy material, whatever that is. And then it has the red Nike Air on them. And it came with red and green shoestrings, which is going to be so cute around Christmas time, which I'm excited for. Black bottom soles, or is the inside called a sole? I think that's the outside. I can't remember. Okay, we'll show you what the inside is like, a different color. Not really sure what design that is, but it's like yellow. And it has like this little red thingy right here. Red Nike Air thingy again. Or what does that say? Air Jordan. I don't really know what else to say. I suck at reviews. And I'm just so shocked that Jeremy got me something. I really wasn't expecting this. Okay, I'm gonna tell him to come back in here because I don't know what else to say.
There's no way you did that quick.
I did. Go. Babe! How did you keep this a secret?
I mean, just buy a shoe. Alright, y'all, so I've not looked at this video yet. I don't know what she said, what's going on, but I hope she did everything right. Like I said, y'all make sure y'all comment down below and let her know how she did. But this shoe is pretty clean. I don't know if she gave you up close and personal with this shoe, but right here, this green, this lucky green is super dope in that women's colorway. Or not colorway, but this is a women's exclusive. I don't understand how she didn't know because it came in a red box. But this shoe is dope. I wish they kind of waited to men's, but they didn't. They've been giving us a bunch of green this year. But I think this is cool. And plus, it's like, look how small it is, bro. Small people feet look hella dope, man. But I mean, the leather is alright on this. I mean, it's cool and all that. So we're going to head and let her do an on feet on these Jordan 1s. She knew nothing about it. I ordered these. She wanted those red 5s, but then she didn't want them. So I'm like, well, I guess I can get her these. And then I didn't even think I was going to get them. You know what I'm saying? Nike hasn't been blessing me. And then it's like, got them. And I was like, oh, okay. Cool. Cool. And she knew nothing about it. And I asked her, like, hey, do you like these? Or I was trying to, like, come up with something different. Like, hey, do you like these or do you like the mochas? And she said the mochas, but she's not getting the mochas. She's going to get these because we ain't plugged in like that. And I think at the store that we go to, her brother-in-law, he don't have smaller feet. He just got, you know, a bigger size. So I was like, oh, you like these are the mochas? She's like the mochas, but she's like the green ones is cool. And I was like, oh, good, because if they wasn't, they would have been going straight back to Nike and give me my little 170 back. But hope she did it good. Like I said, y'all make sure y'all let her know down in the comment section below. Remember, y'all, November 2nd, y'all pull up on me. I'll be live for the giveaway for the $400 StockX giveaway. So you really feeling them?
I am, yeah. I'm
like,
excited
you really
to
like
put
them?
on. Yeah, I like them.
Like,
I've been telling you I need a new pair.
so she been talking about she needs some new pairs, but you know, hey, it is what it is. But so we're gonna get up on feet for you guys. Make sure you guys 100 likes. She want 100 likes, man. 100 likes for Holly Swoop, and she'll be back on the channel. She might get the mochas. She might get the mochas. My pairs is already locked down. My orange skeleton Air Force Ones are locked down. I'm getting it at the same time, so I don't know how I'm gonna do the review. I know I'm gonna push the mochas out first, just the fact that it's gonna be dropping that day, so I kind of want to get it out. I'm not going there on the Wednesday to get the skeleton Air Force Ones, but I'll be there that Friday. But make sure y'all hit the 100 likes on that. It's been 10 minutes. I gotta edit out because I don't know what she said. I gotta fix out what she said. Y'all go ahead and let them know. Let them know, baby. Let them know. Let them know. Yeah.
Comment.
Yeah.
And subscribe.
You dig. Face ass.